So welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend, we are going to talk about how can be off color correction setting in a Tecno phone. As you want to off your color correction setting in your Tecno phone, so when you can off it. And friends, now let's see how to off color correction setting in a Tecno phone. Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon like my video. So when first of all we will on our phone setting to off this color correction setting. After on phone setting you will have to scroll it. As you can see this tab setting in your Tecno phone. So when you can see your phone special function setting, Tecno phone. So guys tap here. Guys again scroll guys. You can see your accessibility setting guys. Tap here. Hence you can see your accessibility setting guys. Scroll it. As you can see color correction guys. Tap here. Hence you want to off. You can off from here. After guys you can see your icon color is normal. Hence you can check your screen. Everything is fine in your phone. So like that guys you can off your color correction in your Tecno phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye fam. Before going please go and like the video. Bye guys.